Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 2 in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Today I'll be showing you the Mekong Delta tour here in Ho Chi Minh City. And to book the Mekong Delta tour, you have to book the ticket a day prior when you want to do the tour. And the ticket can cost you about $500,000 to $1 million. And you have two options for the time, one in the early morning, or one by 11 or 12 o'clock. I have chosen the slot of 11 or 12 o'clock, so let's get started. The Mekong Delta is quite far away from here, so your bus will stop at several stops in between. The first stop here is at Mekong Rest Stop, and here they have made it very nicely. There's a lot of greenery here, and there's a kind of an artificial lake also here. You'll find many shops as well and food to eat. You can find many souvenirs as well to buy. So the next stop here is at a Buddha temple. It is a very famous Buddha temple here in Ho Chi Minh City. So let's see what it is. So here we are at the Buddha temple, and this is also quite the same like Mekong River stop. And here also you will find shops to eat, buy and drink. And here we are at the Mekong River Delta. So first of all, you get in a big boat, and from there they take you in the main delta, and then you just enjoy the delta from there. Now from the delta, they will take you to a small market where there are many shops, and you can buy souvenirs, food, and even drink their local tea. There are also many workshops or activities that you can do here, like coconut candy making workshop or cobra holding. Now we are done with the Mekong River tour, and this is how the rainy weather looks in Ho Chi Minh City. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching.